Looking for a knot that's as reliable as it is versatile? Meet the running bowline, the powerhouse knot for tree work. Perfect for rigging down branches, this knot is loved by pros because it securely chokes branches against themselves. But wait, there's more. It's lightning fast to tie, effortless to untie, even after heavy loads, and lets you rig branches remotely like a breeze. Here's the magic. Just tie the bowline farther away, run it up to the branch, and let it do the rest. Genius, right? And the best part? If you already know how to tie a classic bowline, you're halfway there. Start with an overhand loop, then take the working end around the standing part of the rope. This creates the foundation. Now just follow the bowline basics. Up through the loop, around the back, and back down through the loop. Tighten it off, and voila, you've crafted a sliding noose. A knot so essential, it's practically a tree worker's best friend. Don't just tie knots, master them. Add the running bowline to your arsenal today and level up your tree work game.